Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change default apps on Samsung. First you just need to open settings. Now scroll down until you find apps, and from here at the very beginning you will find choose default apps, where you can just change default apps that you have set for your device easily. For example, if you want to change dev browser app, then you can just tap on it and you can find all the browsing applications that are available on your device. Then you can just choose the browsing default browser app between all of these browser applications. You just need to tap on it and go back, and it will just set the default browser app to another app. That's how you can just change the default apps on Samsung. So you can just change digital assistant app, home app, phone app, SMS app, wallet app, opening links as well. So in SMS app you can just select it, the Samsung default messaging application, or you can just go with the Google messaging application. So that's how you can just simply change your default application on your Samsung device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.